Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this opportunity, we would like to do is a problem solving project. And in this video, in this opportunity, we would like to talk about the problem in our generation because we are living in the technology era. So, there are many problems here. And the one problem is we wanna talk about is like social media. Like all of the teenagers in this generation are cooked because they are always scrolling in their social media, like scrolling TikTok or Instagram and any other apps that include social media apps. So we would like to talk and discuss about that topic in this video. So scrolling towards fitness. Okay, so what do you think about our generation in this era?
First, yeah, when I see many teenager always playing games or just scrolling in his life, and maybe he not help his parent or not help his friend and not complete his task from his teacher, and he always scroll and then he always do in social media like FOMO. Just do, maybe he like some of people in the social media and he like he
Copy.
to copy him, and yeah, he just ask to his parent to give money to buy something in the social media.
That's useless.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for your opinion. And what is your opinion about our teenagers in this generation is cooked by social media?
For my opinion is uh bad things because he always scroll social media every day, and then he can leave his pray if he Islam like 5 times for pray in Muslim, and then also make his lazy if he cannot make social media goodly.
Okay, so that is our problems in this generation because many social media in this generation are useless things. Like example, like a short video you watch it every day, like a brain rot video or something like that. That is the problem for our teenagers, like Gen Alpha and also Gen Z. They are they many of Gen Z are unemployed because they are always wasting their times to scroll and to do useless things in their phone and social media. But also, not all of the Gen Z, but the Gen Z is also the smartest. The very good generation because Gen Z is fastest the learning. Their Gen Z is the fast learning because and Gen Z. Disadvantage of Gen Z is they wanna instant things. Yeah, example, they wanna reach in one day. It's impossible. You have to do like struggle or to do effort. You cannot just do it in one day if you wanna reach. So let's solve this problem, like how to avoid. How to get free of the social media of this phone. What do you think? How do the generation, the teenagers of this era to get free of this social media? You first, yes.
Okay. So the first one is stop touch your phone before you want to sleep, because if you wake up you search your phone first before you take a pray subuh if you Muslim, and I think you must do workout before, because if you not workout, you always scroll in social media, and then what again?
What else to make the teenagers is not always scrolling their social media? Like what to do, something to do like learning or something.
Yes, maybe you can learning, and you can play with your friend in real life, not just in your social media or just in your friend in game. Yeah, you just play in your friend in game, but you not play in your friend in real life. Okay, maybe that's all.
And I want to ask your opinion, Valen. What to do to get all of the teenagers free in without phone or social media?
For me, just you need to not always use phone, because we can also learn, study with a teacher or friends to ask something for study, and then maybe uh, you j- but uh, do something that better than scrolling social media, some things like workout or recite Al-Quran. That's better than you always scroll social media is bad things. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your opinion, and I will tell my opinion and how to solve this problem in this era. So, the first one, you have to avoid your phone. Yes, put your phone away from you, because your phone is very dangerous if you can't control it, because there are many things in your phone like social media. All of the entertainment is inside your phone, so better you hide your phone or like lock your phone so you can open it again or something like that, and do something better than scrolling or than open your phone. Example like going outside with your family, like talking and make a conversation with them, and do many things like, or you can play with your friends outside, like usually before this technology era do, like playing hide and seek or something like that. And to avoid from your phones, so you have to take self control in yourself, so you have to think in your brain like, don't, I will not do scrolling or something like that. And the last thing that solve this problem is also don't always open your social media, like make it not every day. Like example, one day is just 1 hour to do like social media or scrolling, and the rest of your day is like to learning something new, learning some new skills like web development or designing or something like that. So let's solve. Do you have any other solving to this problem?
Uh,
You do have any thought?
Maybe for me, you may use social media for good things that I say before. You search something for learning or course on social media,
Yeah.
and then you may scrolling also on your social media. If the scrolling is good, it's better than you scrolling the bad things. That's like FOMO, fear of missing out, or something like that.
Okay, for me, maybe you can search a good things in social media. Example, you search scholarship for your next future, and then you can get new friend, good friend from social media. Example, if you play Instagram or example, you play Discord, you can search a good friend from the application, and if you already have a good friend, you can, yeah, learning together with your new friend. Okay.
Okay, so thank you for the opinion, and I will tell the disadvantage or the bad impact of you always scrolling social media. The first one is your brain is washed by many dopamine. This is the very dangerous one, because if you are not if your brain is full of dopamine, it will break your brains. Like example, it's more broken than the one that consume drugs. So if your brain is full of dopamine. So do you have any other bad impact of scrolling social media?
Maybe if you always play social media, you your body is not
Fit.
fit, because you always scroll and you sleep in your bed. After that you wake up and you play, and then you sleep again, and then you
Become unhealthy.
unhealthy people, because you have always scrolling and you not play in outside, example play football or something else. And maybe that's all for me.
For me, if you always scrolling social media, your IQ,
Brain. What?
yes, like
Brain rot.
no, turun.
No.
Down your IQ. You maybe before you 100, and then you always scrolling social media, and then down to maybe 80 or 70. Yes, is that.
Okay, so maybe that's all from us, and we already discussed about the problem in this generation is how all of the teenagers are scrolling and in their phone with their social media. And after that we solve the problem, and we discuss the how to solve this problem, and also we tell you guys about the bad impact of scrolling social media. Maybe that's all from us, and last word we say is wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.